In today's short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat notifications. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on it, click on Force Stop, and then click on Notifications Management. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back, click on Data Usage. Make sure also here to disable all these and enable them back. And now open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat and then click on this update option right here. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.